What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be doing another 10-minute sketch of one of my favorite characters, Ironman. And I'm going from sketch to ink to color in 10 minutes. But before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. All right. Got my iPad queued up to 10 minutes. Make sure it's in camera view. All right, and let's get started. And this time, I definitely want to make sure I get the most important details in, so it doesn't look like another character I'm drawing. One of the main things about doing these characters is you could embellish and get your own creativity in there, but you don't want to leave too much stuff out, because then it starts to not look like the character. So you have to find that perfect balance of creativity and adding your own flavor to it, but not losing the essence of that character. If it was just black and white, I don't think I'd have a problem getting it in there, but so I wanted to challenge myself and get to add in color, but that's just an extra layer of, let's just go for it, because I want to make sure I have the full detail in. Even if you mess up, you can do a lot of corrections, so let's just go for it. We're gonna have to fix that line right there and see how we could, as if I have enough time. I did not like that line, but I want you guys to see every element, including all the mess ups. right. Now we can get some color in here. All right. I think I should be good enough. All right, we're at the 3-minute mark, looking all right. There's a few things I want to get to before I'm done. Just want to hope I could get to it. Well, you know, usually a drawing you'd want to erase the loose pencils, but my hope is that these loose pencil marks add some, you know, distress in the iron and the metal, you know. So, and that's what it's kind of doing here. So. Giving it that look. All right, now get back to this. And my hope is some of the black that I'm adding would offset the initial too much black I added on the right over here. So that's my hope. Let's just go here. Some of this in there. Get some of the white. This is where I was planning to fix that, and it's looking good. Yes, it's taking away some of that black. Yes. And this is where I was hoping to get to the little detail pen here. I was hoping to get to this. So, add some of that in there. And there you have it, folks. My 10-minute Ironman is done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.